Welcome. Today we are going to look at installing JetBrains Toolbox on Ubuntu 24. So this is the process. We are going to first download the package file from the official website for JetBrains. After downloading the file, we are going to move to the downloads, and in the downloads, we are going to extract the file and extract the file in the downloads. Then we will move it to the share folder. We are going to install it. So we are going to use tar to extract the file. After moving the file to share, you notice that we have the file name and the version. But for me, I usually like to just delete the version and keep the name. So we'll just rename it to JetBrains Toolbox. So we are using move to rename the folder itself to JetBrains Toolbox. After renaming the file, the folder, we are going to move to the bin, to the folder JetBrains Toolbox, then bin, and we are going to run the bash file, which is the JetBrains Toolbox, which in this case will now install our toolbox in the Ubuntu operating system. After the installation is done, we can now be able to manage all the softwares from JetBrains in the toolbox. You can be able to install and be able to uninstall and do all other stuff from the toolbox itself. Goodbye, and let's meet in the upcoming videos in the channel PyNed.